Hello. Good morning. Um, Today I am going to take you through how we can download GIS data, especially shape files and vector data from DIVA-GIS. You know, DIVA-GIS is one of the reliable and trusted sources to get data downloaded. Um, Starters in GIS sometimes find it very difficult to get data. You don't know where the source, why they can get the data. So today I want to show you how you can get the data from DIVA-GIS, terms of population data, settlement data. Um, you know you have a lot you can download from there. But before you go deep into that, please try to subscribe to the channel, try to like, share, and let your friends also have it. So let's go. DIVA-GIS, right? Just type in Google, open Google and type DIVA-GIS, okay? Um, let's wait for it to load. You know, we are dealing with network, so let's wait for it to load. Um, Keep patient. Uh, gonna come right now. And wait for it to load. Okay, so when you open, this is what you will see. DIVA-GIS, you can come to the data. Just go straight to the data. All right. Straight to the data. Yes. So you know, data. So select and download free geographic data for any country in the world. All right. So you can download this kind of data: administrative area boundary, inland water, road, railway, elevation, land cover, population, climate, and so a lot of data you can get from here just for free. Okay, so you try your best to read the description of the data, the format of the data. You read about it, the resolution of the data. You try your best to read about it. So let's say we want to download data for Kenya. Okay, so you just type in Kenya, then you select the kind of data you want. Okay, let's say we want population, right? Population. Okay, then you see it automatically gives you the Kenyan population. All right, so you just need to download this zip. I don't want to download, but I just need to click on it, download zip. Then you get the population data for Kenya. And yeah, so if you want to do for other subjects, you just change it. So you get elevation, you get population mass, you get administrative areas, you just do, and you get the administrative area for Kenya. So this data, let me see, let me download it and see. Mm, Let me download it and see. All right. So okay, let me see how it looks like. So it is zipped. The data is zipped. Okay, so you have to um unzip it when you download. You have to unzip it. So it's administrative area of Kenya. Um, Let me unzip it. If not, I will not be able to use unzip, unzip it. Okay, perfect. Now I have it here. All right, I have it here. So let me see how it looks like. So you have Kenya. You know, this is a shapefile. The shapefile comes with a lot of extension. So this the CSV2 is there. So let me see. Let me open one of the shapefile in QGIS and see. All right. So let me see. The shapefile is this. Let me drop it here. Yeah. So you see, it gives you the administrative boundaries of Kenya. You see, this is how it looks like. Okay, so go through the shapefile. There are a lot of things that are being zipped. You see, this is admit 3. You could have admit 2, or this admit 1, this admit 0. This could be the entire border of Kenya, excluding the district or the regions. I think so. So you just, yeah, as I said, yeah, the entire border of Kenya. So guys, you just need to explore. Let's go back. You need to explore. You can explore with elevation, rows, inlands, and so forth and so on. So you need to explore the data source and get the kind of data you want. So all right, thank you very much for your attention. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to share. Okay, see you next time.